This is the Cardian app. And so when you open it off your home screen, the first thing that shows up is the Cardian app name and this GIF of a beating heart. Then, once you click on that, the first thing that pops up is a request for you to share your health records with the app. This is because the app uses the Apple Healthkit API to fill in some of the basic things for the AI model, so you don't have to put in as much effort to use the app. The first thing you have to do is click Next, and it'll ask you to share your health records. And so if you click Add Account, it'll bring you into your health app, and it allows you to share any of your health records that you have in your Apple Health app. Then, once you share one of your records with it, you can click Next, and it'll give you a disclaimer about giving Cardian access. And then it'll also ask for your lab results, which allows it to see your cholesterol. And once you click Share on that, give another disclaimer. And then it'll ask you to read a couple of other statistics, such as blood glucose, date of birth, diastolic blood pressure, dietary cholesterol, your ECG, which is very important, your heart rate, your resting heart rate, sex, systolic blood pressure, and walking heart rate average. Once you allow it and you can use the turn on all button to do it quicker. Once you allow it to read all of that, it brings you to the basic information page where you can enter in all of these things, but most of it, or all of it, is already filled out by the app using your health data to make it a little bit easier. Then, if you click on other symptoms, if that's all right, then it'll bring you to the next page, which takes your electrocardiogram directly from your health app using whatever Apple Watch or other data you have, so you can be sure it's completely accurate. It'll allow you to enter in whether you feel chest pain and what level it is, whether mild, moderate, or severe, and then it'll ask for your ECG result type. So this is a normal ECG, so you would say normal. And so then, if all of this is right, you can edit anything that's wrong. If all of it's right, then you can click View Results, and it'll give a prediction based on the AI model behind the app. And this one says, please consult your physician soon. You may be at risk for heart disease, so that you know that your statistics say that you may be at a high risk for heart disease. And then it also includes a disclaimer that this is an AI app and the results are not scientifically proven, and this should not be taken as medical advice. But just to give another example of maybe someone else, if you had another type of ECG, for example, if you went into your electrocardiogram and maybe you do have an irregular ECG, for example, this one, that's just for the demo, but normally it would take directly from your Apple Watch. Then once you reload the app, it will show over here, as you can see, and you could say abnormal instead. This is Cardian. Thank you.